Good day everyone. My name is Jules R. Montaño, BSBA major in Financial Management. This time I want to share learnings about strategic management on how can apply it in a real life situation as a student.
As a student, you have to be a reporter for topic, your topic assigned. You have to be a reporter in front of your classmate and demonstrate the topic of your report.
Examples of industry analysis for the e-commerce sector. The first one is and the sixth is customer behavior. Understanding consumer preference and behaviors in online shopping, including factors influencing purchasing decisions, satisfaction.
And sometimes you have to go in the library to make study well and to make your family proud of you, and you have to study to make your high grades and to make diskarte para sa exam. You have to study hard. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.